Hello everyone and welcome back to English with Kaylee. Today is lesson 11 of our English language course, and today we are going to learn the alphabet. So first of all, just listen and repeat the letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z or Z. Listen again, let's go a little bit faster. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z or Z. Good, well done. Let's just do a quick test. I'm going to point to a letter and I want you to say the letter out loud. Okay, so let's try this one. What's this letter here? Good, D, D. Well done. Okay, let's try this one here. What's this letter? Good, P, P. Well done. Let's try this one here. How do we pronounce this letter? Good, W, W. Well done. And let's try just two more. Let's try this one. How do we pronounce this one? Good, I. Good. And let's do the last one because you may hear two pronunciations. Good, Z or Z. Good, well done. Okay, so now we're going to think about the pronunciation of each letter. Okay, now in lessons 1 to 10, I have taught you different pronunciations of different sounds in English. Okay, so we've learned A, E, E, I, O, U, R. Okay, so these are some of the sounds we have learned. And these letters, the alphabet letters, can be organized and placed into the different columns. This column is special because it doesn't have a sound that is used over and over again. Okay, so there's no sound here to look for. These are the odd ones out. Okay, so what I'm going to ask you to do is to try to put the letters into the correct column. Okay, so you can see an example here. We have A. So we have the letter A and J. Okay, can you find two more letters that fit here? Let's try one together. Let's look at this one here. H. Good. So this one here, letter H, can go in this box just here. Good, well done. Okay, I'm going to give you 2 minutes to try to complete the other boxes. Okay, good luck. Okay, let's check our answers. Did you get them all correct? So we had the A sound. So we have A, H, J, and K. Did you get them all correct? Well done if you did. And the next one is E. E. So we had B, C, D. Did you get this one? Good job. E, G, P, T, V. Good. They all have that long E sound. Good. And then this is our odd one out. So we'll come to this one at the end. Let's go to this one first. The I. So we had Y, and the missing one was, of course, I. Good. Well done. And let's look at this one here. So we have Q, U sound. So of course we have U, which is missing, and W. Good, well done. And then if you got these correct, this one should have been easier. We have F, L, M, N, S, X, and Z or Z. Good, well done. Okay, so let's just do a final practice at saying these abbreviations. Okay, so here's one I'm sure many of us know. So how do we say this in English? USA. Good, repeat with me. USA. USA. Well done, excellent. Let's try this one. PC. PC. Good, this just means personal computer, my PC. Good, well done. A very important word that we use very often. How are you? I'm okay. 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 Good, well done. Let's look at this one in yellow. Okay, so how do we say this? Let's look at this letter here. V. Good. VIP. VIP. Good. And this means very important person. VIP. Good. Well done. Let's take a look at this one here in white. Okay, how do we say this letter? Good. C and D. Well done. So together, CD. CD. Good. Well done. Let's take a look at this one in yellow. So we've just done this letter, so we know this is D, V, D. Well done. DVD. DVD. Good, excellent. Let's take a look at this one in blue. We have B, M, W, BMW. BMW. Good, a type of car. BMW. Good, well done. And the last one, so this is a good question for me. If somebody said, Kaylee, where are you from? I would say, I'm from the UK. I'm from the UK. Good, well done. This is a great way to practice the alphabet, is saying these short abbreviations. Okay? Well done, that's the end of lesson 11. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more English learning videos, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys. Let's learn the alphabet in English. Repeat with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Great, let's do it faster this time. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Like and subscribe.